Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this 3 bars icon, and as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 3 options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option which you'd like to apply, in my case 10 seconds delay. It has been immediately applied and highlighted. What is more, the countdown has been applied to the shutter button, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. All we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, you can always turn off the timer just by entering the settings again and tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.